Hello friends, in this video we shall discuss about chondromalacia patella. The clinical presentation of patient includes pain over retropatellar area or anterior knee pain. Most commonly females are affected and the age group is in between 15 to 35, but typically the patient age is in between 30 and 40. The condition aggravates whenever the patient sits for a prolonged time or walking on slopes or stairs. Mainly whenever the knee comes into complete extension while stepping down, patient felt typical pain. Patient felt pain after standing from a prolonged sitting posture. This is the clinical picture of chondromalacia patella, which is very significant and to be differentiated from osteoarthritis knee. The most important test in chondromalacia patella is Clark's test. Fix the superior margin of patella using the web space in between thumb and index finger and ask the patient to contract quadriceps. Whenever the quadriceps is contracted, the patella will move proximally, which is resisted by examiner's web space, and this causes pain in chondromalacia patella. This is a typical clinical examination using for chondromalacia patella. We can also use facet tenderness test, but this test may be positive in patients without chondromalacia patella also. Patient is in supine position, knee in extended position. Elevate the medial margin of patella and then palpate medial facet. But this particular clinical examination is not much important in chondromalacia patella. Coming to Clark's test, we can see the video of Clark test. In Clark's test, we want to fix the superior margin of patella using the web space of thumb and index finger. Then ask the patient to contract quadriceps proximally. This is Clark's test using the web space in between thumb and index finger. Fix the patella superiorly and ask the patient to contract the quadriceps, in which the patella moves proximally due to the force of quadriceps, which causes pain in chondromalacia patella. Patient is in supine position and knee in extended position. By fixing the superior margin of patella, ask the patient to contract quadriceps. This is the clinical examination Clark's test, which is very confirmatory for the diagnosis of chondromalacia patella. This is chondromalacia patella. The cartilage in between patella and femur is affected. This is chondromalacia patella. This is normal skyline view X-ray. This is the normal patella and chondromalacia patella. Here we can see the difference. This is normal space in between patella and femur. Here there is chondromalacia patella. The common age group is in between 15 to 35. Most commonly females are affected. The skyline view can be taken in three methods like this. It is the knee is flexed to 90 degree and it can be taken in three methods like this, either in prone position or in this position. It can be projected like this. Insal-Salvati index, which is associated with chondromalacia patella and also instability of patella mainly. And here Insal-Salvati index means 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 means 1 is the distance from the lower pole of patella to tibial tubercle. The distance of patellar tendon is 1 and 2 is the distance from lower pole to upper pole of patella in lateral view X-ray. 1 divided by 2, the normal value is in between 0.8 to 1.2, nearly 1, which is normal. Whenever the Insal-Salvati index differs, it may cause patella alta or patella baja. In patella alta means the Insal-Salvati index is more. This 1 divided by 2 is above 1.2, which causes instability to patella, which may cause either subluxation, recurrent subluxation of patella, and second reason is chondromalacia patella. If there is patella alta, then the age group of starting pain in chondromalacia patella is in between 15 to 20. The female patients in between 15 to 20, whenever came with chondromalacia patella, you can check Insal-Salvati index, which may be above 1.2, which causes patella alta, and this is the reason for chondromalacia patella in young aged females. In chondromalacia knee patients should avoid this particular exercise. Deep squats, lunges, and leg extension machine should be avoided, which causes aggravation of symptoms and pain whenever there is history of chondromalacia. And the rehabilitation of chondromalacia patella includes pelvic lift, pillow squeeze the pillow for 5 seconds and repeat it. Shalabhasana, a yoga posture, and then stepping anteriorly and then reclining is a very good exercise for anterior knee pain. Coming to the management of chondromalacia patella, as in the initial phase there will be inflammation, so that the initial phase management includes Amapajana and Shofahara, and in the second phase it requires rehabilitation along with internal Sneha Prayoga. Coming to chondromalacia patella, let me conclude the session. First thing, most commonly affected age group is in between 15 and 35, and females are affected with complaints of anterior knee pain or retropatellar knee pain after standing from a sitting posture and also whenever walks through the slope or stairs. The clinical examination mainly include Clark's test, in which using the web space of thumb and index finger, fix the superior margin of patella and then ask the patient to contract the quadriceps, which causes proximal movement of patella, and it is resisted by the examiner's web space, which causes pain in chondromalacia patella. We can take X-ray, either lateral view X-ray or skyline view X-ray is diagnostic of chondromalacia patella. The management of chondromalacia patella is important, otherwise it may lead to patellofemoral osteoarthritis. Thank you.